When you go to create your annotated bibliography, you're going to go into My Learning. You're going to go ahead and choose the NHD module, and in the NHD module, there is an annotated bibliography and how to use My Bib page. When you're on this page, it'll describe what an annotated bibliography is. It will show some examples. The first thing you're going to do is download your annotated bibliography page, just like that. When you pull it up, it'll look like this. I've already separated into primary and secondary sources. You're going to click Enable Editing. Once you've done that, there should be a little button up here if you want to make sure that that's on and it automatically saves. It'll save to your OneDrive. Now, I'm going to show you an example. You're going to go to My Bib. So if you just Google My Bib, it'll take you there. Choose that. On My Bib, you're going to create a citation. So I've already done one, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this one, just so you guys can see this from scratch. This is what it'll look like. You're going to add a citation. So in this case, you can add a citation either from website, book, journal, video, and there's actually a bunch more that you can choose from, like if you were going to do a song or a speech. Those are all different citations. It's really easy, guys. So what you do is once you find the website or the information you want, you simply do this. You go up here to the address bar, click on it. It highlights it blue. Click Control C, which is copy, right? You're going to go ahead and go to back to My Bib, Control V, and it says search. And that's the one I want, right? So I'm going to click, yep, that's it. It's going to say, hey, we noticed there wasn't a date published. Well, there's not a date published for this, so we're not going to worry about it. So we're going to click no because they update all the time. And we're going to look here. So once it does this, you'll notice here, I can actually add my annotation at this point. So if I wanted to say, this site provided a general overview of COVID-19. Annotations are pretty simple. It just tells you why did I use it, right? I click save, and there it is. Now, because we can't set up accounts on My Bib, we're going to go over here to these three dots. We'll click on that. We'll simply click Copy Bibliography Entry. I will go back to my Works Cited, and this is a secondary source, so I'm going to put it in my secondary source. I'm going to click Control V, and there it is. It's done. So that's one citation. Everything you use, you have to do that same thing. Know, though, that since we can't have accounts, this will disappear next time I come up here. So this won't be here because it only saves if you have an account. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so you guys can see. So if you don't save it to your document, you're going to lose that information. You're going to have to recreate it every time. And it's much easier to make sure you save it every time. All right, so here's my primary source, secondary source, and I'm just going to add to it. Every time I get a new source of information, I have to create an annotation in a bibliography. The bibliography simply says this is where I got the information from. It's a formatting style. And then why did I use it?